Welcome! If you're tired of constant alerts popping up from Google Chrome and interrupting your day, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to block all notifications from the Chrome app using the latest settings update. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs or homepage. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This is the menu icon where all the Chrome settings are hidden. Once you tap it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to site permissions. Now, inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts Chrome can send you, including website notifications, downloads, and other updates. Once you're in the Notifications section, you'll see a toggle labeled Allow Notifications. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you keep getting alerts. To completely stop Chrome from sending you any notifications, simply toggle off Allow Notifications.